This 2020 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge Lite Lite MR2910RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in South Weber, Utah, 84405 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Highland Ridge is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.